So we've just completed the Wavelight Plus LASIK on this young student, and she's doing extremely good, and she did not have any discomfort through the procedure. So I'm just going to give you a brief history about her and what the power was and what the benefits of Wavelight Plus LASIK and why she opted for Wavelight Plus LASIK. So she's a young student, she's 20 years of age, and her power is extremely high. She's been using glasses for more than 10 to 15 years. And she's really tired of wearing glasses, because without the glasses her vision is so less that without the glasses her vision beyond 2 to 3 meters, it's not very clear. And her power basically is 3.5 and 2.5 in one eye, and 5.5 and 2 in the other eye. So almost power is 5 to 7. Now the biggest advantage when we're doing laser vision correction is it is going to get rid of your glasses. But now here is where the Wavelight Plus technology comes to the picture. So the Wavelight Plus technology, what this does is, along with the vision correction, it basically corrects your irregularities. So your eye as a whole has a lot of irregularities. These irregularities could be present on the cornea. It could be present inside the eye, that is on your lens. The pupil size could cause some irregularities, and your retina. So basically, as a whole, it calculates the irregularities. This is what the sitemap device does of this machine. So basically, on calculating the irregularities, it is not only correcting your vision correction, but also your irregularities. So it gives you much sharper vision than what you're already having. Now, the beautiful thing about this procedure is, any procedure or whenever you're going for any optical shop, when you're getting a new prescription for your glasses, the increments of the power are normally 2.5, 2.25, 2.75, 3, 3.25, 3.5. But here is where the beauty of this machine is. Now, when you're doing a Wavelight Plus correction, you can see here, this is what her power is. So her power was 3.5 and 3 cylinder. But when you see the power correction with the Wavelight Plus, we're actually correcting 3.85, 3.05 and 5.75, 2.08. So this is how precise the laser vision correction is with the Wavelight Plus technology. So we are calculating the exact numbers, and it's not the increments of 0.25, 0.5, but it is 2.08 and 3.05. This is how this technology works, and the results are just magical. So basically, the biggest advantage is, like I just told you, patients are able to see much better than what they're already seeing because of this. So they're getting 6x5, 6x4. Ideally, a normal person 6x6 vision is good enough, but these patients who are going Wavelight Plus technology are getting super vision that is simply incredible. Now, number two is, because it is actually calculating these irregularities, it is also generating number of treatments, and then it decides which treatment is actually best for your eye. And this treatment again is different for your right eye and left eye. So based on that, because it is giving you the best treatment, you're getting chance of any side effects like glare and halos is almost negligible. Now this is the second advantage, because a lot of patients, when they normally come for LASIK correction, the main pain points for them basically are, they're worried about pain. Well, that is solved because the surgery is completely painless. They're worried about side effects like glare and halos. Now this is why the Wavelight Plus technology does a wonderful job, because you getting these side effects like glare and halos is almost negligible. So that actually solves all your problems. Now the biggest or the third advantage of this Wavelight Plus technology is that this is future ready. So when we are saying future ready, basically what you need to understand is, the eye as a whole undergoes a lot of changes. Now as we age, our body undergoes a lot of changes, like we get wrinkles, our hair becomes white. So these aging changes takes place in your body. So now your eye is also part of your body. So your eye also undergoes certain changes, especially after the laser vision correction. Now this, what happens is, because of some changes, the quality of vision can get hampered in the future. Now this machine is future ready. That means keeping all those the epithelial remodeling or all the eye changes that are going to take place in your eye after surgery, keeping all that in mind, it gives you the best treatment in such a way that the quality of the vision that you see post surgery on day one is going to remain the same all throughout your life. So the quality of the vision is not going to get disturbed. So the resolution, the contrast that you see post surgery is going to remain the same all throughout your life. That means, yes, not only the LASIK vision correction is permanent, but the results are also permanent, and the quality of the vision is not hampered. So these are the biggest advantages of the Wavelight Plus technology, and that is one of the biggest reasons probably why she opted for Wavelight Plus technology. And the beauty of the procedure is, it is completely bladeless. We don't use any blade, and the entire process takes only 10 minutes. 5 minutes is basically for the flap creation. that is a femto LASIK part, and 5 minutes is where the Wavelight Plus. Now her power, although it is almost close to -6, that is when you're adding the spherical and cylindrical, the laser time is only about 15 to 20 seconds. Now during that 15 to 20 seconds, we expect the patients to look straight, because if you look straight, the results are far more better. So in case you have any doubts regarding the Wavelight Plus technology, you have any doubts regarding laser as such, please, you can ask us, you can DM us, you can post your comments, and we'll be answering all the questions. Now the results, a lot of patients ask, now I'm getting a Wavelight Plus technology, how quickly can I actually resume my normal activities? Well, you can actually resume normal activities within 24 to 48 hours. So today is Saturday, we've operated her on a Saturday. Sunday she'll be taking rest. From Monday actually she can get back to college and she can actually resume more activities. So it is extremely soothing, it is comfortable during the surgery, and it is far very patients are extremely happy or ecstatic from day one, because such high number, imagine you're able to see clearly from the very next day. So patients are really happy. So the results are great and results are permanent. So you have any doubts about Wavelight Plus technology, please ask us, we'll be answering all your questions.